It's about 7:30 a.m. We're still in New Hampshire. We're about to start the Mount Lafayette and Franconia Ridge Trail. It's supposed to be about 8.8 miles. We're starting off on the Falling Waters Trail. So this actually takes us to the top of Mount Haystack, Little Haystack. So we're actually going to go up 3 mountain peaks today. So this is going to be a long day. What? I could do that. We already made it to our first waterfall. Today's balance obstacle. I'm really glad I have my good hiking boots on today. We made it to our second waterfall. It is pretty cool. And another waterfall. There are a lot of waterfalls on this trail and I'm not complaining. This is amazing. Still following the Falling Waters Trail to get to the top of Little Haystack. This is really testing my ninja skills. Yeah, this is like balance beam for me. I would just like to take a moment to say that this hike is no joke. What time is it, babe?
It is 10:14.
It's 10:14, so we're almost 3 hours in. We're almost to the summit of Little Haystack, but this is super steep. We've been doing a lot of rock scrambling for most of this, and our legs are very tired. So I can't wait to get to the top of this first one. I'm pretty sure we're almost to the top because we just hit direct sunlight. And we are definitely pretty high up now. Check out this view. We made it to the top of Little Haystack and now we have 2 more mountains to climb. So we are like 1/3 done with this hike. Definitely brutal, but worth the views. We're basically walking across the top of Little Haystack right now. Yeah, so eventually we're gonna make our way to the top of Mount Lincoln, which is next. And then after that, the top of Mount Lafayette, which we actually can't even see yet. So we still have a ways to go, but I'm very thankful we made it to the top of the first one and took a little snack break.
So here we are, traversing the Franconia Ridge Trail, I believe. And we're walking down from Little Haystack and making our way up to Mount Lincoln. So we got to go all the way up there, and I don't know if you can see the little people up there, but I'm kind of dreading this. Right now I'm killing Michelle in my head. She doesn't know it. she won't know until she watches this video.
We just made it to the top of Mount Lincoln. So we have one more mountain to go. The only reason we made it to the top of this mountain is because of these Sour Patch Kids. We are getting there. We still have to get to the top of that mountain, and I don't know if you could see it, but there's a hut down there, somewhere in this area. But apparently they have really good brownies there, so I'm really looking forward to that. I think we're done going down for now, and now we have to go all the way up there. I'm still anxiously awaiting those brownies. We made it to the top of Mount Lafayette. So now we just have to go down this mountain. We have to go that way.
Like in your bag there? No, when I was at the store.
So we're headed down Mount Lafayette right now. Our next stop will be at the hut, which we can actually see now, which is very exciting.
We're all three of these?
What we can't see is our car.
The hut is finally within reach. It is right over there. And wow, my hands are super swollen. We're almost there though. We made it to the hut. Sadly, there are no more brownies, so we had to settle for a cookie bar. Gary doesn't seem like he minds. So this is the first time you could get a really good picture of what we actually did today. So we climbed 3 mountains today. We did Little Haystack, Mount Lincoln, and Mount Lafayette. This view is amazing.
Like crying, screaming.
Check out this tree, so cool. I think we're almost to the bottom, and Gary just got stung by something. We're falling apart right now, but we're almost there. We're just finishing the hike now. Finally made it. I think our legs are dead right now.
7 hours?
Yes, it's about 7 hours, but we made some cool new friends on the trip. This is Nate and Danielle. They're awesome. So yeah, we are pretty dead. Very happy to be done with this hike, but it was pretty epic. How you feeling, Gary?
I feel like I need a beer.
Love you.